Hi, Lindsay here. Welcome to ETL523. I'm really delighted to see such a large class actually for this semester, and this is my little introductory welcome video, telling you a little bit about myself and about the subject as well. So a little bit about me. This is actually the fourth year that I will be facilitating, teaching, lecturing, whichever word you prefer, this particular subject. I was also the co-developer of the subject along with Judy O'Connell in the School of Information Studies. So this subject is very dear to my heart. It's also dear to my heart because I lived and breathed digital citizenship for many years in my positions in schools, K-12 schools. Currently, though, I work full-time for Charles Sturt University. I'm the Quality Learning and Teaching Leader for the Faculty of Arts and Education. And that means that I'm supporting academics as they build better online learning environments and stronger subjects using emerging technologies and different types of collaborative and connective pedagogies. So let's see, for 30 years I was a K-12 educator. I worked half of that time in Australia, and the other half I worked in international schools across the world, 5 different countries. And for much of that time I was IT director, e-learning coordinator, curriculum coordinator. So I've been in positions in schools, in large international schools, where I have managed the e-learning environment, which includes working with staff, working with teachers, professional development, and also managing the IT department. Which means working with the IT specialists, the non-educators who build the facilities and support the facilities. And this includes, this included implementing one-to-one learning environments way back starting in 2003 when I was at International School Dhaka in Bangladesh. We had a one-to-one wireless network and laptop and mobile handheld learning environment across a lot of the schools. So we can talk more about that. I'm happy to share my experiences, realising, of course, that it is a changing learning environment. You're working in different situations. You will all have your own story. I encourage you to share your story through this subject. The assignments for this subject, the first one is very collaborative. It is a group assignment, and then with an individual multimedia component. The final assignment is an environmental scan, where you do need to look at your workplace, or if that's not convenient or possible, you need to find some other situation. And we will work through situations, if you're not immediately in a school or a learning environment at the moment, so don't worry about that. I do hope you find the modules interesting. We do look at, what is digital citizenship, what are the issues. We take a deep look at the digital learning environment, how to support the digital learner, and then of course this whole leadership piece, which is what, we're grooming you to be leaders in your school, leaders in curriculum, leaders in IT, leaders in the library, information studies, etc. So whatever your focus is, and it may be a combination of those, this subject will help. This will add another piece of ammunition, say, to your repertoire, and give you a voice within your learning environment. So my final message in this introductory video is, please approach this subject with an open mind. Now, we all have preconceived ideas of what digital citizenship is. I'm not going to give you mine at this point, though you will find through some of the module content that my voice is quite loud and clear. But go beyond. When you read the content and you interact and engage with the material and with each other, I encourage you to go beyond that sort of traditional definition and that traditional experience of digital citizenship, and really find out what material is out there to support a more broadened experience, and how you can then bring that to your learning environment. So, lots to talk about, lots to say. We will have some online meetings. There will be lots of different tools that we're going to interact through, and I'm really excited to be here with you. Thanks very much.